Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix Sweatcoin not counting your steps. First, open the Sweatcoin app and make sure you're logged in with the correct account. Then, go to your phone settings and check that Sweatcoin has permission to track your motion and fitness activity. On iPhone, go to Settings, scroll to Sweatcoin, and turn on Motion and Fitness. On Android, open App Info, tap Permissions, and enable Physical Activity and Location. Next, make sure your phone's battery saver mode is turned off because it can stop the app from running in the background. Also, keep Sweatcoin running in the background instead of closing it completely. If steps still aren't counting, open the app, tap your profile, and select Recalculate Steps or log out and back in to refresh your data. After this, try walking a few minutes to test it. Your steps should start updating again instantly. That's how to fix Sweatcoin not counting steps quickly and easily. Subscribe to channel for more videos.